Hi everyone, it's Jamie from anysoftwareyouwant.com, and in this video we're going to give you a lightning quick demo of our huge data set of 17 million WordPress websites. Now this data set is actually a bit bigger than 17 million websites. It's actually 17.6 million, but we like to over deliver here because often websites can go offline quickly, etc. So we've compiled this data set from various web crawlers that we run, and every website has been verified programmatically as running the WordPress CMS. So this data set is provided in both a MySQL dump format that you can import into a MySQL database, which you see here, and also CSV format, which we'll cover later in the video. And full training is provided upon purchase in a video format that shows you how to import and how to work with these large data sets on your local computer. So let's just have a quick browse through the data before we show you some examples of how you can filter down to different types of data within the data set. So we've got our domain here, then we've got the title and a description that we've extracted from every website in the data set. We've got a TLD here, top level domain, so you can filter down to Canadian or UK websites, for example. And then finally we've got our categories here. Now how our category system works is pretty simple. We have a predefined set of keywords, and every website in the data set we check if those keywords are in the title, and that will tell us, for example, if a website has gym, the word gym, in their title and description, then it's probably in the fitness niche. And we use a bunch of other keywords, like a very large set for each niche, and we'll try and work out which niche, which category it fits into best. Now we do provide a primary and a secondary categorization because often, for example, a blog will span multiple topics. So we also give a broad and then a precise category as well. So for example, a broad category can be entertainment and media, and then a more precise could be photography and art, for example. And we also provide a score of the matching of those keywords. So that score will tell you how confident we are that that website fits within that category. So if you're doing some outreach and it's really important that you only message, for example, fitness websites, because if you message a website that's in the finance niche, for example, then people might mark your message as spam, etc. So you can set your own match score to make sure you're only messaging people that really are within a certain category or niche. So for our first demo now, we're going to find all websites that are anything to do with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So here you can see we're using the precise category here, and you can see we found over 29,000 WordPress websites that are in the crypto niche. So obviously if you run some sort of web design agency and you specialize in WordPress websites and you specialize with crypto clients, this is an incredible data set for you to use. For our next demo, we're just going to simply filter down to the TLD of .uk, and as you can see here we've got over 400,000 WordPress websites that are based in the UK. And again, if you own a UK web development agency that specializes in WordPress, this is a great asset for you. Now we'll show you how to use the CSV format that's provided. So these CSV files are quite big, so you probably won't initially be able to open them up within a standard spreadsheet tool. So you'll have to use something like EM Editor, which is free, to open them up. Now here we have a PowerShell command, and as I said, all these commands are available upon purchase to show you how to do different things with the CSVs. In this command here, we're simply filtering to any line that contains London. So we'll output those to a new CSV, which will be smaller, and we'll be able to open that up in most spreadsheet solutions. So we come back a couple of minutes later, and that PowerShell command has worked its way through the big CSV, and we've now created a smaller CSV, which is London-based companies only. So again, this is great if you're the owner of a, for example, web development company in the UK, and you're based in London, and you specialize in WordPress. You've now got thousands and thousands of potential clients. As you can see, we've got just under 53,000 WordPress websites that are based in London. So that concludes our demos for now. We hope you can see how powerful these data sets are for lead generation and various big data projects. As I said earlier, full training is provided upon purchase that will show you how to work with these large data sets on your local machine efficiently. And that's it. Thank you for watching.